big old fucking sausage. Record me. I'm gonna record you, Tony. Record me. What's going on, YouTube? Bro, we here in New Orleans. We got Tony in the back. We got Rob with his diamond status. Clubhouse diamond status. Hey, tell him what we're doing today, Rob.
Visiting New Orleans, checking out New Orleans, sightseeing.
We just got done eating right now. Rob needs a little nap.
Yeah, I do.
Tony, what'd you eat today, bro?
Food.
What type of food?
Crawfish.
We got crawfish. Crawfish, huh? Anyways, we made Rob eat some nasty ass crawfish today.
Not Rob, Tony.
Me.
I mean, my bad. I mean, we got Tony eat some crawfish.
I didn't eat it though. I didn't eat that shit.
He ate the shit from the crawfish.
I didn't eat that shit.
Hey, tell him what he ate, dog. Tell him what he ate, dog.
Hey, some crawfish shit.
The what?
The shit of the crawfish.
Tony, what'd you eat?
I didn't eat it. It merely touched my lips.
You fucking ate the shit.
No, I didn't.
Say it.
No.
Admit it to it. All right, what we got right there? What you sipping on? Show everyone on YouTube what you sipping on right now.
It's a little daiquiri.
It's a little daiquiri, huh?
Half a gallon.
Anyways, right now we're gonna go peep out the World War II Museum. We're gonna get back to the tattooing tomorrow. We got a good tattoo tomorrow. Monday will be my last day for me to tattoo out in New Orleans. I appreciate all the love and support from the fans. Make sure you guys all hit that subscribe button to get more content. We're gonna be back out here again. We're just having a good time out here. You know what I mean? Tony, tell them what we're doing, dog.
Doing it live out here. Doing it big.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
I don't want the pussy, shorty, give me neck. Everything I do it for the set. Everything I do it for the check. Everything I do it for respect. No, flex on. All my niggas riders got the text on. All my bitches better be some red bones. Ain't no talking to the cars, that be the G code. G code, G code. I be fucking all these bitches like I be bored. G code, G code. I been counting up this money like I'm at the bank and I wake up in the morning and I count up all my chips. Smoking super loud, something shiny on the wrist. Popping hella bottles, man, I know you feel the mist. Shooters in the squad and you know they never miss, yo. Man, I'm about to break the bank though. Stupid gold chain though. Haters acting up, bet all my niggas bang though. Shit on my niggas bang, bro. Shit, you acting up, man, you need to settle down. I'm coming for the throne and I'm coming for the crown. Bitches take their clothes off every time I come around. I'm chilling at the top, bet I started from the ground, yo. Boy, I'm following the G code, and I'm going full beast mode. Give a fuck about your zip code, nigga, that's just how the street goes. I don't want the pussy, shorty, give me neck. Everything I do it for the set. Everything I do it for the check. Everything I do it for respect. No, flex on. All my niggas riders got the text on. All my bitches better be some. My niggas riders got the text on. All my bitches better be some red bones. Ain't no talking to the.
Please present your card or your mobile phone.
I need a massage.
Authorizing.
I just don't no more than $5.
What you mean? It started out at more than $5.
What is it?
It's $16.
No, it's not. Hey, it's not. Why would we need ours, dog? It's this.
Transaction canceled.
I just don't like when it touches my butt. I'm being serious.
Your card.
Young Nap, baby.